Hello everyone. Good afternoon or good morning wherever you are. Today I will make a Christmas cookies or shortening or margarine. For me, I'm using margarine. This is 1 cup. And I have to cream this with 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. So I will add 2 eggs. In a separate bowl here, I have 2.5 cups of flour. I'm sifting this. One teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of cinnamon. After sifting the flour, the baking soda, and the salt, I will add 2.5 cups of cooking oats. I'll mix this in here. And I mix this into the shortening mixture. Alternately with half a cup of water. Last thing I'm gonna add is the half a cup finely chopped walnuts. Next thing I'm gonna do is drop about 1 teaspoon dough into a cookie sheet. I'm just gonna make a bowl like that. After dropping about a teaspoon of dough here, I will make a dent, just like this. And then you can fill with any kind of jam you want. I'm using this if you see my previous video making Saskatoon and rhubarb jam, this is the one I'm making, but you can use any kind of jam you want. You can drop one there. And then bake this in the oven for 400 degrees oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And see you later. These are all the cookies I bake. This is made with Saskatoon and rhubarb jam. Let's just put it there on top. And this one just the rhubarb jam. I'm just gonna taste the Saskatoon and rhubarb first. That's exactly right. It's not very sweet. I just reduce the sugar, and the jam is not sweet either. I made about 40 cookies. It's very tasty. Thank you guys for watching my video. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.